Hello Pythonians. In this lecture, we are going to learn about string operations. In our previous lecture, we have learned that string is very important data type in Python and how we can declare the string. Here in this lecture, we are going to learn about some inbuilt functionalities that Python provides us to manipulate our string. Let's start with upper method first. Upper method converts all the characters in the string in capital letters. So for example, I have taken this variable my name and its value is string called Sagar. Notice that the string is in all small letters. Now let's call upper method on this particular string myname.upper and you will see it will return the string with all capital letters. Similarly, we also have lower method that works exactly opposite of upper method. That means if we provide any string with capital letters, it will convert all the characters in the string in small letters. For example, here I have taken ocean name as Pacific and Pacific is in all capital letters. If I call this function ocean name.lower, you can see it will return us Pacific in all small letters. Let's move to our next method called strip method. Strip method allows us to clean the string. So for example, here I have taken this string called planet and its value is earth. But if you notice, at the beginning of the earth there are two more extra spaces and at the end of the earth there is one more extra space. I want to remove these extra spaces at the beginning and at the end of this string. Now let's call planet.strip method on it. You can see in the output it will give us a complete string without any extra spaces. So to remove the extra spaces from the beginning and at the end of the string, we use this strip method. Let's move to next method called replace method. This is very important method that we can use in our string operations. So for example, I have a string over here called language and inside the string I have written Java and JavaScript. But if you notice, Java has two A's in it, at this position and at this position. I want to replace this double A with a single A. So here I can do it by this way. Language.replace. Then we can provide a character or a combination of characters that we want to replace. So here I want to replace AA with single A. So let's run this and you will see the string has replaced double A with single A's. So this example shows us that the replace method do not only replace the first occurrence, it will replace all the occurrence in the entire string. That means wherever it will find double A in entire string, it will replace it with single A. Here if we want and to be replaced by and sign, then we can write it like this. If you can see, and is replaced by and. We can also use this replace method to replace a single character like this. If we want to replace this dollar sign over here with S, you can see it is replaced. So this one is very useful method. Now let's move to split method. This split method, as the name suggests, will split the Python string and it will return us a list where every element in the list is nothing but the splitted element in the string. So let's see how it works. Now if you see, I have mentioned one sentence over here in this string, which is Python is best language, isn't it? And you can see there are few full stops over here. There are two spaces over here. So if we do not provide any kind of parameters to split method, it will consider by default a space as a splitting character for it. So here, if we do sentence.split, you can see it has written us three elements in the list. First element is this one. Then it found a space. So it split the string and then it found another space over here. So there are three elements that are split on base of space. Similarly, if I want to split it with a particular character. So for example, I want to split this entire string based on this full stops. So I can provide sentence.split and inside it parameter in double quotes like this. Now you will see this entire string is splitted into four parts. Here Python, then it found this full stop over here. Then it found is, and after is there is another full stop. Then it found best, and it found another full stop over here. And then it found language, but after language there is no full stop. So it took the whole string after that, like this. We can also split this string by comma over here. So let's see sentence.split, and in the parameters we will provide comma. You can see string is splitted into two parts. First part before comma and second part after comma. Then we will see what string concatenation is. String concatenation is very simple concept and it is easy to use. For example, here I have taken my name Sagar and statement which is likes Python. If I want to merge these two strings and form a single sentence, how will I do that? So let's say my name plus statement, and you can see it have connected these two strings and form one sentence. But hold on, there is no space between Sagar and likes. So what I will do, I will add space while concatenation. My name plus after that I want space. So I will create a space character over here, and then again I will concatenate the remaining string which is statement. And then I will run this code. You will see Sagar likes Python. This is how we can do string concatenation. I hope you have understood all the string operations in this lecture. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.